This is the Peak District, but from the air, it doesn't look real. Winnats Pass, easily one of the most dramatic landscapes in England. It is a short walk away from the Mam Tor. Headstone Viaduct, a hidden viaduct that feels straight out of a film. It is part of the famous Monsell Trail, along with the tunnel just next to it. Dovestone Reservoir, completely different, but just as unreal from above. If you are looking for hiking or simply just a place to relax, definitely check these out. Which one would you visit first?